In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up email account on laptop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to go ahead and do is firstly, you can just go ahead and go to Outlook. Now, this is probably the best way to do it because you can open up any different things as well, like your Gmail or anything like that. If you have an existing email account you want to use, or maybe you want to make a brand new one, I think Outlook is the best for this, and it's going to come pre-installed on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC or laptop. So go ahead and type in Outlook and then just go ahead and click on it. Now, whenever you first open it, it's going to ask you if you want to add an account. So I'm just going to go ahead and press this. And then you can, as you can see, there's a bunch of different ones you can do. So I can select an email address or enter one, or I can create an Outlook email account, like a brand new one if I want to go ahead and do that instead. So for example, if I wanted to go ahead and do that, it's just going to run me through the setup. I can choose my own and everything. And this is the best way to do it. And then I'll be able to, use it and use as many emails as I want. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.